Indulge in a mouth-watering adventure as I unveil the long-awaited secret to creating the most extraordinary chocolate chip cookies ever tasted. In this captivating video, I reveal the game-changing technique and ingredient that will revolutionize your cookie baking skills and leave everyone clamoring for more. Prepare to be amazed as I share the revolutionary secret that sets these cookies apart from all others. You'll learn how this special ingredient interacts with the other components, elevating the flavor, texture, and overall experience of your cookies to an entirely new level. Whether you're a novice baker or an experienced connoisseur, this video is a must-watch. Anyone seeking cookie perfection. Prepare to unleash your inner baking maestro as you unlock the game-changing secret that will forever transform your chocolate chip cookies. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds, evoke smiles, and create cherished memories with each bite of these phenomenal cookies. Watch now and embark on a delectable journey to baking greatness. Now you have my 2 secrets to great chocolate chip cookies. Grand Marnier and then rolling and chilling the dough to create odd-sized cookies. Also, the amount of chocolate and nuts in this cookie recipe makes it a better cookie. Hey, you're amazing. Thank you for watching.